Welcome to the newly named Crismon High over here in Queen Creek. Right here, we're in the classroom building. You turn around here, we got steel going to the south, and we're also grouting the walls. We're gonna have this all topped out in the next 3 weeks. We're gonna get going with the decking and the roofing. We're standing right now in the administrative office area right now, building A we call it. So we're getting our stem in, our underground's just about complete, and we're gonna be pouring our first slab over here on the 10th of November. So that's gonna be rolling right into everything else. We're standing in the gym right now. Last time, none of this was in. Our block walls are topped out. We're waiting for our steel. You can see over here that we've got some holes in the concrete over here behind me. Those are for floor boxes for electric that we have to put in. We're here on the west side of the gym right now. Behind us, you can see that we just poured the concession stand floor in the electric room that's over here on the other side. So we're gonna start closing this up with steel and block in the next few weeks.